All right, guys. So I told you guys I was going to Florida. So I stopped in Destin. I took a vacation there for about a week. So that was part of the reason I didn't post. Another part of the reason was I was setting up a bunch of accounts. So I ran. The good news is I've learned some information that I'm going to share with you guys. So stay throughout the whole video so I can share that information. Because this information isn't currently on YouTube, and it's information I've learned as I've opened up these new accounts and done a couple different things with them, and had run into some major issues and had success like I normally do with some accounts. So yeah, when I wasn't running my Facebook accounts and doing all that stuff, I was just really at the beach, just enjoying myself. So yeah, I wasn't posting, but anyways, I'm probably gonna get back to a normal schedule of posting, giving you guys valuable content. As you guys know, I do have a free Facebook course, so you guys can DM me, email me. For that, I do Facebook automation, as you guys know. I think there's more stuff, but it's been a while. But anyways, as I was opening up some new accounts, one of my clients asked to add her EIN number instead of her social security number. So when we added her EIN number, it did the normal thing where it was like, we need a couple days to verify your social security number, blah, blah, blah. To this day, it's been like 3 weeks. We still have not been able to verify that account. So, and all the listings are now getting 0 sales. So I like to keep up to date with all the Facebook groups, and I'm always on top of those, and I'm seeing, what's happening. So I have certain accounts that, are getting less views as well. But I haven't had like this whole 0 view thing happen to me until I added the EIN number. So I'm assuming if people are adding their EIN number and this is, and they're getting 0 listing or 0 views, because I run quite a few accounts. I really didn't run into that until I added my EIN number or her EIN number to the account that I was running for her. So I think that's definitely a major reason. So if you're gonna add your EIN number, I probably wouldn't do that right now, at least while Facebook isn't as sophisticated as they need to be. In order to process your information and get your account running smoothly. So definitely keep in mind that's been one of the burdens I've learned from opening up quite a few accounts. Besides that, just normal stuff. I mean, I tell all my clients that their account's going to get suspended almost immediately. Super normal, especially because we get some sales right off the bat. So just whatever, it's either their algorithm or their bots or whatever it is, notices it, and we do typically just get suspended off the bat. Not an issue. We can get unsuspended always in 24 hours. So if anyone also has trouble getting unsuspended, just leave a comment. I'll tell you what information we give to them in order to get it unsuspended. And yeah, so that was definitely one of the major pieces of information that I found so far for you guys to keep in mind when opening up more accounts. So if you guys like this video, please subscribe. If you guys think I provide valuable content, please subscribe. You guys know I'm a growing channel, not a lot of subscribers. I was at 88, someone unsubscribed. Now I'm at 87. Gosh. All right, guys, have a good night.